Everyone, meet Ryan. We love Ryan. Ryan is special. Ryan is actually our 2024 Max giveaway winner, and we get the honor of Ryan coming and bashing with us today. Hope you enjoy.
Okay guys, today we're gonna have another bash day with some new friends on the channel that you haven't seen before. We got Cameron over here bringing his XRT that has probably like 45 grand into the XRT, and it only has a little bitty hobby wing system in it though, so it's not gonna run that well. And then we got Ryan over here. Ooh. He's actually the Max winner, guys. Remember, we don't actually give cars away. We steal your money. But this man right here somehow has a Max that was given to him. And so you're going to see some footage of that too.
When did we give that away? I thought that was supposed to go in the closet.
It is. It still is in my closet at the house. We got a fun lineup of cars here. As you can see, we have an X-Maxx. My X-Maxx that has been beat. His XRT that is worth more than my life insurance policy. A Mojave piece of crap. And also a sledge that gets dusted by a Creighton apparently.
Don't forget about the Bigfoot.
And then Bigfoot, I was getting to her. Don't rush me.
You're taking too long.
I was getting to her.
Well, this sledge doesn't get dusted.
Oh yeah, I forgot, because he also has a baby hobby wing system in it too. Max 8.
No, it's a Max 18.
Oh, you're right, the 18 scale. He's got the little pinion on there like you had that broke the shaft.
Yeah, on the Mojave.
All right, guys, well, let's get into it.
Oh yeah, this thing is hooking up great today.
Look at this beautiful XRT. Oh! Oh, there goes the hobby wing. It blew up.
What?
What? Ryan's peeing over here. That's a nice flow you have there, Ryan. So is she a flyer or you're not gonna let it fly?
Where's her jump?
Over here.
Back here.
Wow. Hey Cameron, can we show the viewers what you got under here? Wow, Cameron, this is crazy. Tell us what you got here.
So it's a Hobby Wing Max 5 800 kV, Max 5 ESC, mod 1.5 gears. It has the Traxxas overdrive gears and the cush drive. Pretty quick.
That is crazy, man. I've never seen anybody with one.
With what?
With this big setup. You got what, 11,000 Gen Aces or what is that?
11,000 Gen Aces.
Oh my gosh.
That's a lot of batteries, dude. It's a lot of batteries.
You're gonna get bored of it before it dies.
$5.
$5? Heck yeah, that's a deal. You got the whole crew. Comes Cameron's XRT. Woo! Comes Ryan's sledge. He took a bunch of earth with him. Did you already break something? Here comes the Mojave. Okay, it tried. What happened?
I lost steering.
Oh, man. Whoa! Oh! 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 Oh, the battery camera! Oh, no!
What's smoking over there?
Oh, God! That was definitely a rough one. Oh, okay. Battery didn't...
Oh, it broke my battery strap.
Oh, of course it did. These straps suck. Actually,
we aftermarket.
Actually, we have the same straps. That's all it broke, though. That's not bad. Gotta take that life insurance policy out now. You got another strap? You're gonna put her up for today?
I'll go put it up because I don't have another strap. But I have an X-Maxx with the exact same.
Oh, okay, good. Little Bigfoot. Over here, see what Ryan's got. What's going on, Ryan? What happened?
I don't know. I think something got like wedged.
It got wedged in the...
I couldn't physically move it, and then I did, and something popped. So I'm assuming something. She's still good now.
Okay, good.
Cause it's got that NSDRC 800 in here.
Yeah.
So like that thing should never have any issues.
It looks like she flips pretty good too. All right. Oh! Come on! Oh! So close, Byron. Yeah, you did land. Here we go. We're getting backflips with the X-Maxx at least. Come on! Yes! Good stuff, Byron. That was a good one.
Oh!
What happened?
That dormant.
I got you. This thing's feisty. I love the center earplug. Wow, this thing backflips so easy. And then does that. That was pretty high, Byron. That's a good one. Good land. Got it. Oh, okay. Tumble, tumble, tumble. Got it. Oh, no. You scared to send it, Ryan?
Send it. Oh, there's an X-Maxx in the wild coming.
I can't turn right.
Oh, that thing is quick. So this X-Maxx got the same thing done to it. Oh my gosh. Oh. That was a big one, Byron. Got a nice little X-Maxx here. We are just running this hill down. Here comes Cameron's X-Maxx. Oh, the body. So yeah, you should get like at least triple my height having that hobby wing system in there. Oh, that was a good one. Let's go see what Cameron has done to his X-Maxx. Same exact thing. Big old can, Gen Aces. Oh. Uh-oh. How'd the body then fall off? I will never know. Oh, nice. That's, oh no.
It has too much air control.
I know. You just
barely touch the brakes, it just noses back down.
That's what I'm hearing from it. I mean, yeah, I hear you just barely tap the brakes, but there is so much, almost too much in-air control, like you're saying. Man, it's feisty though. That's crazy. Night and day difference towards this thing. It already looks like it. The body. Nice. Do you think you could hit a double? Uh-oh, what happened?
RPM parts, bro.
Oh, man, that's crazy. See if anything else broke.
Everything else good. That fan keeps coming loose, that's normal.
All right, Cameron already broke his X-Maxx, so now he's gonna go for a double to have a good send-off. Almost a triple, man. That was almost a triple. Uh-oh, you broke something because that wheel's still spinning. Oh, the drive shaft just flopping around.
Flippity floppity.
What? Did the cup break or did it just pop out?
Looks like it just popped out.
That's weird. Never seen it just pop out.
Actually, almost got a triple though.
Yeah, you did. Now you know. Front wheel drive back to the truck. Yeah, man, that was crazy. Might have to get me one of those hobby wing systems eventually.
It's nice.
There goes my body.
Y'all missed all the fun.
Literally. Womp womp. Almost landed a triple.
Almost landed a triple.
But she didn't.
It does look kind of floppy. Yeah, it broke the body in the front, broke more in the back. It's. Oh, I don't care. Fashion like us.
Hey Ryan, can we show us what you did to your giveaway, Max?
Yeah, man. So light kit, obviously. The upgraded arms, full chassis. Did the upgraded bell crank. Did the new big Traxxas brushless servo, wheelie bar. Switched it to a Fly Sky remote.
You also did metal axles, didn't you?
Oh, I did. Yeah, I did the metal axle kit.
That's what I'm gonna do next to mine, I think.
Man, I love this thing. It's great. And now it's dirty. Love it.
Well, we're glad to be able to give it to you, Ryan.
Yeah, hopefully somebody wins that Snap-on van.
I know. I'm excited for whoever does.
All right, guys, today we have our brand new giveaway car, the Snap-on Traxxas Fortec van. You can win this beautiful car right now on lifeofballin.com. And guess what? It is a collector's item. It has realism inside of here. It even comes with free tools. Wait, that might be a joke. You gotta check out lifeofballin.com now, as we have many items on the website. We even have this, the Life of Ballin hex holder. This is one of our favorite things to use every time we are working on our car. It keeps all of your hexes in the one place, so no more fumbling around trying to find the right thing.
this is on lifeofballin.com today. We also have the Life of Ballin screw holder here. It comes with magnets inside of it so that your screws don't fall around and jiggle jiggle wang wang. This is also on lifeofballin.com. Guess what, guys? We also have new and used items on the website as well. This is a brand new charger that we're going to be selling cheaper than what are normally on the Traxxas websites and other websites. So go check out lifeofballin.com today, and every time you spend $5 you get 10 entries for the beautiful snap-on Fortec van. Thank you.
I hope it's not me. I don't want people getting mad if I win it again.
There's going to be a massive amount of people coming after you, Ryan. I'll post your social security online.
Oh,
All right, let's see Ryan's Max do a double over here. He said, oh. Ooh, close. He thought I was going to hit him. Nice. Yes, you did. That time you didn't. Give him a good smack, Byron.
no, please don't.
Oh! That gum Fury took the X-Maxx out. Nice. Nice. Nah. Oh, that was pretty cool. Furies are crazy, man. Ow. Tree shot. No! They almost take himself out.
No, he's not even.
Oh, he's letting you use the Max, huh? Oh. It's done for. Gotta go return it. It was free. Yeah. We have eaten that hill alive.
Well, I'm after you. No, I'm kidding. Go ahead. No,
Yes!
See, the difference is more likely to land or purposely not land mine.
That was weak. Let's see if we can do a reverse. Got it. Yeah.
You're not sponsored, right?
No, not by anything.
You're a man of the people. Now, it did. I didn't know you were coming. One of the reasons.
Oh!
You actually had bearings already in them.
Oh!
How long did you play with that? Oh! Is it dead?
That's how they do it, man. Those things don't last but 8 minutes.